you want to see how I got these loose bouncy waves, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cree here. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my Bantu Puff waves / curls and the takedown process. So I know it's been a long time no see. I had to take a break from social media and just focus on some things that were going on in my life, but now I'm back. So I'm just showing you a quick clip of how I put the Bantu Puffs in. If you want to see the full tutorial, go check it out on my channel. So I just want to thank those of you that stuck around and supported my channel, as well as the new faces that have been watching my videos. Thank you so much. Anyways, so back to the tutorial. So as you can see, I am getting ready to start taking off these little metal decorative pieces in my hair. So I had these Bantu Puffs in for approximately 1 day, and it was just supposed to be a quick style, just to transition between washing my hair and actually doing a protective style. Okay, now that I got most of these gold jewelry out of my hair, it's time to start taking down the Bantu Puffs. Okay, so this first curl came out really nice. I didn't realize I needed to pin my hair up to make the rest of the takedown process easier. So as I was pinning my hair up, I was like, hey, this actually is kind of cute and this wouldn't be a bad style. And I was like, wait, let me get focused and keep going. At this point where I realized, oopsie, I don't think I rolled this up the best, because this is my second time doing this style. The first time my hair came out a lot curlier, but you know what, the first time I used product, this time I didn't, and I kind of rushed the process because I was trying to hurry up and go to bed. And then I ended up realizing, like, oh, this actually can be a wavy hairstyle, so let me just keep going and see. I may end up doing a tutorial in the future where I show you how you can get even a curlier hairstyle with this Bantu Puffs, but one thing is that I didn't even leave this in for a long time. This was only like 24 hours later, so I think if I would have let it set for a few more days, it could have been curlier, but also not rushing the install process. Also, the first time I did this style, my hair was blown out from all the humidity and I still had a slight curl at the end, so that also helped the Bantu Puffs to set better and it to come out even curlier. If you guys are enjoying the tutorial so far, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I very much appreciate it. See, this piece is giving more of the spiral curl that I was going for. Okay, so most of the Bantu Puffs are out, so now I'm just looking to see if there are any left over that I may have missed, and kind of fluffing the hair and playing with it. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. I'm all done now. Later I end up trying to see which part I liked more, which was middle or the side, and I end up fluffing the hair a bit more, and it actually turned out really nice. So here is the final look. I actually really love how my hair turned out. It was fluffy, it was wavy, it was big, so much volume, bouncy. I loved it. And I would definitely do this style again, but maybe next time with products so it can last longer. This is what the side part is looking like. I actually wore my hair out with the side part that day. Okay, so this is the back view, and coming up you'll see my hair a couple days later and how I wrapped it to preserve it. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like in my hair scarf. I usually use scarves over bonnets just because it protects my hair better. And then I just go ahead and fluff my hair out. As you can see, I still have some waves in there. If I was going somewhere, I would go ahead and wear it out just like this, but I'm not. But it still looks good, right? And this is quickly how I wrap most of my hairstyles. So I put my scarf in a triangle, push the hair up, I take the scarf, I wrap it around my hair, and then I take the two ends, cross them, and then I go ahead and tie it in the back. And when I'm done with that, I tuck the hair in and then tuck the excess scarf into the side. It may not be the cutest look, but hey, I go for functional and I want my hair to last. But you guys can always just leave the hair out at the top. But to me, I don't want my hair to turn back and I want my hair to last longer, so I just tuck it in. Okay, so I'm nearing the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. If you tried the style, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.